software for extract attachments from PSD files. And are you searching for trusted solution online? Corbett Software PST Files Attachments Extractor, perfect tool for extract attachments from PSD files. Now let's check out the main features of this tool. Extract all attachments in original format without any data loss. Receive multiple attachments from all or selected folder. Selective filtering of emails by date, subject, header fields, etc. Maintains 100% data integrity of the extracted files. Let's install and run the tool. To check out its working process, simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option. Select Email Data Files option. Then select Outlook PST files from showing pop-up window. Now select Choose from a folder. Select your PSD file from your system. Click on Open button. The software is analyzing files and folders from your selected PSD file. You can enable the Compact View button to view the important folder for the converting process. Select PSD file folder from left side menu pane. For load emails, click Emails to get message preview. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as Content that lets you see the full body content of the email message. Select Properties option, for you see the additional information and other details of a selected email message. Message Header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message, such as sender, recipient, date, subject, and more. The Hex View lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw Message Preview, for you can see selected email in raw message file format. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It searches keywords within the emails. Now enter a keyword in the search bar and press Enter button for search. And you will see the result highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of the tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. You can search in all fields like calendar and date, range, and more. Now pick the emails field you want to search information from, such name, subject to, CC, content, and more. Click here to close Advanced Search option. Now go to the Extract tab. It gives you multiple extracting options like email addresses, attachments, phone numbers, and associated emails and phone numbers. Contact photos. Now select Attachments option from drop-down menu for extracting process. Now mark the required folder and unmark the rest folder as per your requirement for extracting process. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save the output. Now let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders. After export is done, if you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is open automatically. The next is skip grayed out folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your files. Other, to create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is delete old folders, if you want to delete previously extracted data from the destination folder. Apply advanced feature to extract selected attachment extensions only, like PDF, document, and many more from attachments. Then write the file extensions in the highlighted box as per your requirement. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of extracting attachments from PSD files. Once the task completed, you get a successful message. Then click on Open Folder option. Now you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get all extracted attachments from your PSD files. Thanks for watching.